Yeah, hi all. Today I will discuss about the screen resolution of a machine and the browser dimension using Selenium and Java, how to get those values. And we can also change the dimension of a browser depending on the testing. Sometimes based on the elements visibility or the client's requirements, we might need to change the dimension and test it because sometimes those elements are not properly loading for the uh, standard dimension, so we might need to change it. Also, sometimes there can be user requirements to change it. Also, the screen resolution. So it's very important that some test script should run on certain resolutions of machine. If it's not, the test get failed. So to verify that, we can add a step to get the current resolution of the machine. So if I open this image, you can see what's the height and what's the width of your computer. So I'll go to my code, and it's a Selenium code. In here, I don't set the uh, value for dimension of the browser, but later I will change it. Here you can use this method to change it. Driver.manage window set size. You can set the size. There are some important imports that you have to get. I'm using Selenium dimension. Also, I'm using Java toolkit as well. So things to remember: screen resolution and browser is different. Screen resolution means the resolution of the device. So this is screen resolution. The browser dimension is like this, height and width. You can change it as you like, but there are some practical values that you can change because it's impossible to set height and width for some values because it's not applicable. So if I go to my code, as you can see, I'm changing the dimension here. Before that, I get the original default value and print it. Later, I am changing it to something else. I can also asset this using testng assertion. And the second test, what I do is using the dimension of the Java AWT. I had to give like this because I'm using Selenium dimension already, so it automatically suggested to correct as this. So I'm using toolkit and get screen size. So this is the resolution of the device, and the variable type is double, and you can use int as well. And if I print it, it will get printed. And in my after class, I'm shutting down. So I'll run the command. In this side, you can see sample values for the browser resolutions. Sorry, browser dimensions. And if I go to the console, you can see the default height is 616 with this one, and then I change it to 800 and 600. So the correct values were reflected, and the screen resolution is 190, this one. So it's according to my machine resolution. So thanks for your time, and please check the code in the description.